One Degree is News Corp Australia's environmental sustainability initiative. It's how we do things. It's how we make our newspapers, our magazines, our websites. It's about the small things that we do that add up to big change.
As a manufacturing site, we're constantly focused on improvements across a wide range of activities, and the environment is an integral part of that focus.
So what we do at Terracycle is we recycle unrecyclable waste. In Australia, the sort of waste streams that we collect and recycle are coffee capsules, baby food packaging, mailing bags, beauty products, all different kinds of things that you would never think that you can recycle.
Our goal is to keep old mobile phones out of landfill and ensure that they're recycled in a safe, environmentally sound way.
We take in items of furniture, household goods, small electricals that may need a little bit of repair, and we fix them and refurbish them and put them out on our shop floor for sale at very low prices.
We exist to build the skills and knowledge that young people have around food and to increase their participation in food and agriculture here in Australia.
Our organisation OzHarvest does three things. We rescue food, and we make sure that we educate the general public as well as vulnerable people on how to live a more sustainable life and not waste food.
Take 3 asks everyone to simply take 3 pieces of rubbish with them when they leave the beach, waterway, park or anywhere.
All of our campaigns are about simple ways that the everyday Australian like you can reduce their impact on the environment.
Fashion Revolution is a global movement encouraging greater transparency and traceability in the fashion industry. We're passionate about seeing a cleaner and safer fashion industry for all members of the value chain.
People often ask me what zero waste means. The International Zero Waste Alliance defines it as getting 90% of your waste away from landfill. That means recycling, reusing, and in the first place using less. That's what we're doing here at News. We've set that goal for our print sites and we're actually achieving it at a large number of them already.
Zero waste means to me a society that each and every one of us is aware about what we purchase and how we live, and is mindful of what that impact has on our planet.
Zero waste to us is all about food waste and what we can do to reduce our environmental impact through the food that we buy and eat every day.
Zero waste means the effective management of all waste streams at the site. We fit the criteria for zero waste in terms of 90% of the waste that we generate is not sent to landfill.
For the Bower, zero waste means exactly that. It means nothing going to landfill.
Zero waste means zero impact. We believe in seeing waste as an opportunity, as an ingredient for future use rather than for something to be disposed of.
Zero waste is everything. If we're going to be serious about sustainability, then it has to start with waste. When we look around us, there's no such thing as waste in nature. Waste isn't waste until it's wasted.
And it's great to see that Australians are coming with us. We're one of the best recycling countries in the world.
Focusing on zero waste also allows us to see other opportunities for improvement and synergies within our operation. Whilst these projects may seem small, they all add up.
We should think about where that product is going and what it's being recycled into, and then think about finding a way to buy that back.
One of those opportunities is actually to support the whole crop, so all the wonky, bumpy and lumpy fruits and vegetables that aren't making it to our plate just because they don't look a certain way. And there's a whole lot of food out there that we're not eating because of this.
But if we do have organic waste, it should go into compost.
From the materials we recover from mobile phones, we can make anything from new batteries to fence posts, stainless steel. There's a whole diversity of materials that are recovered. Most people have old phones that they no longer use. Either pass them on or recycle them and return those resources back into productive use.
We have a design team and their whole job is to just come up with ways to turn old products into new products and make it really fun. For example, one of our partners is Colgate, and we take their toothpaste tubes and we turn them into pencil cases.
We've released this great innovation with Close the Loop, our partners, that produces roads out of 30% recycled materials. It's called Toner Pave. You can see it in Melbourne and here in Newtown in Sydney, so it's pretty cool.
If we can't repair or refurbish an item that comes to us, then we work with a multitude of recycling suppliers to ensure that items do not go to waste.
The reduction of the actual waste that we produce in terms of paper, a 5% reduction in electricity usage, a reduction in truck movements through logistics initiatives.
When you learn about the problems of plastic pollution in the ocean, tonnes of new plastic entering the sea every year. You can't let that go. We need to be looking towards business and industry as being the pioneers of repurposing materials, keeping them in these endless cycles. This is zero waste, this is the future.
It's all for the environment.